Hello, and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum has pretty much not changed its structure. Yesterday, around the same time, I made the video and we saw that Ethereum had rallied to the first ideal target in yellow wave B. So while Bitcoin has formed a first possible 5-wave move to the upside overnight, I mean, Ethereum hasn't, and Ethereum is far away from accomplishing that. Okay, so just want to bring again to your attention that $2,400 level, which, if I zoom in a little bit further, is the ideal target here for yellow wave C of the B wave. So we have in our yellow wave count still a potential third wave to the downside in the making. Yeah, so at least structurally there is absolutely no sign that a lasting low has been established. On the Bitcoin chart, there is a first signal. Please note it's only the first signal, however. But Ethereum, while Bitcoin has formed a 5-wave move up, Ethereum has formed a first 3-wave move up. And within that 3-wave move, it's actually reached the ideal target for wave C of B. Now, to put that into perspective, Bitcoin is already, from a Fibonacci point of view, way up here. So it's completed wave 5, or at least is in the process of doing so. Ethereum has only completed 3 waves, but in the white count, which would be the bullish count for Ethereum, we would need to see actually the third wave reach the 1.38 extension. So it is a 3-wave move, but only as an ABC in the yellow count. Remember that I posted a few days ago, that was on our Discord server. Just want to bring that again to your attention because of the importance of that level, that I highlighted the price should ideally reach 2,400 before forming a top in wave C of B. This level represents the 100% extension projection of wave A in yellow, which is the ideal target of wave C. And just structurally, this level has been reached. And this is not bullish. I mean, it's done what it needs to do in that yellow B wave. I mean, that's it. Of course, it can push higher, but it still has a lot of work to do. Of course, a larger corrective rally could happen, but at the moment, we just don't have the signals. Now, I posted yesterday as well that this here could be a 5-wave move down. So we have a possible 1-2 setup, and actually this is still valid. So we have a wave 1 to the downside in yellow, which is actually quite bearish, and a 3-wave move up in wave 2. And we could have started wave 3 to the downside now in yellow. I mean, I did also say that unless Bitcoin forms a top, this is likely going to invalidate. But for now, this is a valid 1-2 setup. I don't trust it much because if Bitcoin pushes a little bit higher, it might really invalidate, and it just shifts the yellow wave B higher, or maybe we reach the first ideal target for white wave 3, which again would be $2,470 or higher. But for now, I'm just watching a possible 1-2 setup to the downside, and the next drop could be a third wave down. That would be wave 3 of C of circle 3. But there is also more needed to confirm that. For example, if we now see a break below the wave 1 low that formed here at 2,280, well, that would be a first signal that yellow wave 3 to the downside is actually unfolding. That would be yellow wave 3 of C of circle 3. Bear in mind, there should be good support in this area around 2,200 because this is the trend line. I mean, the green trend line applies on the daily chart. In crypto, I wouldn't draw these trend lines in a way that, we expect absolute precision, but the price already found support here, didn't break below that trend line, only briefly, on the 6th of September. So there could be some good support. Please consider that. So for now, I mean, as long as the, let's say, overnight high stays intact, this is a valid 1-2 setup. That swing high was at 2,390. And yep, it was the overnight low. And if we go down now and break below that wave 1 low, the overnight high, and if we break below the wave 1 low, then this could set the stage for a third wave to the downside. But again, I don't trust it fully. If Bitcoin forms a top now after having formed the 5-wave move up, it might actually be that Ethereum follows through on that yellow wave count to the downside. Bottom line is, I haven't got anything at the moment to put the white wave count, which is the more bullish one, here as primary scenario. Ethereum would need to prove that by forming 5 waves up first. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.